It's Thursday, everybody, and it's time for our All Natural Thursday beauty tip. What's a good natural alternative to toner? I get this question a lot. I get a lot of people asking me what they can use in place of their, and what I suggest is a quick DIY that you can do at home, that you can do in a batch and just keep in the fridge for a couple days. So this Thursday, we're going to show you a quick and easy way to make an all natural one. Find a beautiful herb called hibiscus. I absolutely love hibiscus. Hibiscus is the natural Botox plant. That's actually a nickname for hibiscus because it's known to firm, tone, boost the collagen levels in your skin and increase elasticity, which is always a good thing, especially the older that we get. So it also keeps your skin, evens out your skin tone. It doesn't matter what your skin tone is, it will even it out. If you're really red, it kind of like softens your skin a little bit, and it's incredibly moisturizing. Get hibiscus. The way to do this, get dried hibiscus from any herb shop. You can find that in your neighborhood, online. You want to just order some. The concept is really simple. You steep tea, have a hot tea, the leftover. What you'll do is you'll take it, put it in the fridge, let it cool down. You can transfer it to a little bottle. It's a cute little glass bottle. A little pad. It's funny to me. Take a little pad. Now you have your little fancy spray bottle. Oh yeah, we keep it fancy. Spritz. Look at that color. Pretty. It won't stain your skin, I promise. And then, whoop. Oh, and it's so cool. It cleans dirt, oil, excess oil. Oh my God, that feels so good. And it smells good. I'll tell you why it smells good. I add essential oils to everything. I have signature blends that I love to use for my products and that work really, really well for skin. Skin doesn't feel tight. It doesn't feel dried out. And it also feels clean. That's the beauty of it. This will last you a few days, probably up to like 5 days. If you want one that will not go bad, this is what I'm here for. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed your Thursday beauty tip this week. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and let us know what beauty tips you'd like to see in the upcoming videos. Thanks. Bye. Want more? Check out the latest at shiaskin.com. What's a natural alternative to toner? Because calendula is yellow. I'm all about the anti-aging right now. I just had a birthday. I know some super oily skinned people use oily skinned people. You gotta go run errands. Like, who wants to run errands looking all sweaty and gross?